If you wondered how to create lifelike professional voiceovers without hiring a voice actor, welcome to our 11 Labs tutorial where we'll discover the power of AI generated voices in just a few simple steps. We'll show you how to transform your scripts into captivating audio content that sounds natural and engaging. Let's unlock the future of voiceovers together. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll show you how to create professional AI generated. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into 11labs.io. I have your first information, but before getting started, let's scroll in and search about other information here about this website. First of all, have your AI audio. So you can use it text to speech, speech to speech, text to VX, voice cloning, and voice isolator. About products, we have here projects, Dubbing Studio, Audio Native, Voice Over Studio, Voice Library, and we have here Reader app. And in APA here we have, but before we have here solution, we have here scale, enterprise, teams, creators and industries. We have publishing, media and entertainment, conversational AI, and customer story. About pricing here, if we click over pricing, so it's absolutely for free for individual who wants to try out the most advanced AI audio. So we have 10k character per month here, 10 minutes audio. The first things we have generate speech in 32 languages using thousands of unique voices, translate content with automatic dubbing, create custom synthetic voices, generate sound effects, and API access. If we scroll down, we have here other options and other information about pricing. So to more understand, just you click over pricing and read other information about it. So in API here, we have supercharged your project with the most powerful AI audio API. So the first things we have here, high quality, low latency turbo model, built faster than ever, easy integration on any web page, enterprise ready, see how developers and businesses are leveraging speech API. We have API plans that scale with you. Then we have here frequently asked questions. The first one we have, can I get support during the integration process? We have here the answer, how do I get started with API? How secure is my data with 11 Labs? What's the latency and output quality when using an API? Then what is 11 Labs grants and how can it benefit my startup? So you can just click over these questions and read it to more understand. If we click over company here, we have here safety and a blog also covers. So let's come back to the home page. We have here create the most realistic speech with our AI audio platform. We have pioneering research in text-to-speech, AI voice generator, and more. So you can just get started for free and try a sample. So let's give it a try here. So first of all, we have here text-to-speech, speech-to-speech here, tabbing also, text-to-speech. You can choose the first one. We have a powerful lion roaring in the African savanna. You can choose the generation 1, 2, or 3, or 4. Then we have here the sound of waves crashing against a large rock in the ocean. Also we have fireworks exploding in the night sky, a dog barking in the park also. And we have the last things, it's for cloning. We have here Lily, the original one. We have Lily, the
Sherlock
clone one.
Holmes's quick eye.
All right, so
Chris
get this.
also.
All right, so get
Hey
You can just click
foodies,
over the one you
hey
want.
foodies, let's get cooking with
And here you choose your language, Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, Croatia, and the various things. Then we have here tell a story, introduce podcast, or you can create a video voiceover. And then we have here the actors. We have here various actors. You can choose the one you want, like Wal, Sarah, Matilda, Lily, Liam, Laura, Jessica, George, Eric, Daniel, Chris, Charlotte, Charlie, Callum, Bill, and Alice. So that's it with actors here. If we scroll down, we have other information about this website like voice fit for all of your ideas. Then we have making content universally accessible, complete voice AI tools, AI safety at a level labs, and we have here AI audio solutions for any scale or need. The first one we have creators, scale your productions and expand your reach globally without compromising on quality. We have teams, we have simplify managing and collaborating on projects with flexible AI workflows. Enterprise, we have access our advanced models with dedicated support at a price point that scales with you. Then we have our creative sites of AI audio tools, imaging, professional workflows. And if we scroll down, we have here get started for free course with the highest quality AI audio. So let's come back to the top here and just click over get started for free. You write your email address and your password, so it's easy to sign up. Then you confirm it by your email, and that's it. And this is the homepage. As you can see, this is my account. I have your first information about speech synthesis first. You can just to generate history also. You can choose also simple or advanced here. You have to give me a prompt and generate here. You can just start typing or just paste your text and you choose the actor you want here. We have various actors. Then settings, we have here stability. You can choose more variable or more stable. In similarity, you can choose low, high, and self exaggeration. No one. You can also regenerate more exaggerate. You can just also switch on or switch off speaker post, and that's it about settings. And then we have voices here. You can just search your voices, then choose personal, community, default here, voice type, professional assistant or generated. Then also you can choose recently used or alphabetic. So that's it about voices. Then we have sound effects. You can generate here, you can just click over generate, explore. We have here animals, bass, bombs, drums, brass, cymbal. You can also search for sound effects. Have here various things. About history here we have generate sound effects. So if we come back here generate, we have to describe your sound effect and then you click generate and you can also choose settings here. As you can see, you can just switch on or switch off, automatically pick the best lengths. And we have here prompt and feelings. You can just generate more creative or follow prompts. And then we have your projects. Then we have VoiceOver Studio here. You can just create VoiceOver and add a video by clicking to upload or drag and drop in the file. Dubbing Studio also, we have here what can you use Dubbing for: social media, content, media and entertainment, marketing, education and e-learning. Then you can choose upload, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo or other URL. Can also source languages, target languages here, and then Dubbing project name. Then we have here audio native. You can just get
Logic will
started
get you
with
from A
audio
to B.
native.
Imagination will take
You
you
click over
everywhere.
play video here and you start. Then the last one we have voice isolator, and just upload audio or recording your own audio. Then you click watch demo here. So this is it for this website. I'll leave